In this video, I'll show you how to set up a database in BASE44. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and open the app project where you want to add a database. Next, open the Builder chat and describe the data structure your app needs. Explain what information you want to store, such as users, products, tasks, orders, or other records. Now, ask BASE44 to create the database tables and relationships for your app. Provide details about the fields you need, such as names, dates, categories, statuses, or other information. After that, review the generated database structure and test how your app stores and displays the data. If you need changes, use the Builder chat to add new fields, modify tables, or update the database logic. Next, connect your app features to the database. Ask BASE44 to create forms, dashboards, search features, filters, or other components that use your stored data. Finally, test your application to make sure data can be created, updated, and displayed correctly. Once everything is working, save your changes and continue building your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a database in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.